Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel U.S. Immigration. We hope you're doing great. In this video we will talk about new changes in the I-130 immediate categories and many appointments arriving. Recent updates to the USCIS Form I-130 immediate relative categories are set to significantly impact the immigration process with the introduction of new changes and a surge in appointment availability. Families navigating the path to reunification should stay informed about these critical developments in this report. We'll explore what these updates mean for your application and how they may affect your immigration journey. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. In recent weeks, there have been significant developments in the processing times for USCIS Form I-130, particularly for immediate relative categories. The processing times for I-130 petitions have seen notable fluctuations, which can have substantial implications for individuals and families navigating the immigration system. This video will cover the latest changes in I-130 processing times, the impact of these changes, and recent developments in appointment scheduling. Parole in Place. Parole in Place is a crucial program for undocumented spouses of U.S. citizens and their children under 21 years of age. This program allows certain undocumented individuals who are married to U.S. citizens to adjust their status without leaving the country. For those unfamiliar, Parole in Place helps individuals avoid the often lengthy and complicated process of consular processing outside the United States. This provision is particularly important for families who wish to stay together while resolving their immigration status. Recent changes in I-130 processing times. Processing times for I-130 petitions, which are filed by U.S. citizens for their immediate relatives, spouses, children, and parents, have recently undergone changes. Historically, the processing time for these petitions was around 14 months. However, 2 weeks ago, this time frame increased to approximately 15 months. This increase has caused concern among many applicants and their families as it extends the waiting period for immigration benefits. The latest updates reveal that the processing time has now further extended to 15.5 months. This adjustment reflects a troubling trend, as processing times for immediate relative categories continue to rise rather than decrease. This trend is causing frustration and uncertainty for many applicants who were hoping for a quicker resolution of their cases. Analyzing the impact of increased processing times. The increase in processing times for I-130 petitions has significant implications. Extended waiting periods. Applicants must now anticipate a longer wait before their petitions are processed and approved. This delay can affect family reunification and create additional emotional and logistical challenges for those involved. Increased uncertainty. Longer processing times contribute to uncertainty for applicants, who may face difficulties in planning their future and managing their immigration status. Potential impacts on immigration plans. For many families, the extended processing times may impact their overall immigration strategy and plans. This uncertainty can affect decisions related to employment, relocation, and other critical life choices. USCIS processing times for immediate relative petitions. USCIS's processing times for I-130 petitions under the immediate relative category have shown variability. The latest data indicates a processing time of 15.5 months across all service centers. This extended time frame represents a notable increase from previous periods and highlights the ongoing challenges in managing the volume of petitions. The increase in processing times raises questions about the underlying factors contributing to these delays. Despite efforts to improve efficiency, USCIS appears to be struggling with the backlog and operational challenges that are impacting the timely processing of applications. K-visa processing times. In contrast to the increased processing times for I-130 petitions, the K-visa category for fiancés of U.S. citizens has seen improvements. The processing time for K-visas has decreased to approximately 10 months, which is a positive development for individuals seeking to bring their fiancés to the United States. This reduction in processing time for K-visas reflects USCIS's efforts to expedite the processing of these petitions. Applicants in the K-visa category are likely to experience a quicker resolution of their cases compared to those applying under the I-130 immediate relative categories. Parole in Place and its impact. The introduction of new programs such as Parole in Place adds another layer of complexity to the immigration landscape. Parole in Place is designed to address specific needs within the immigration system, but its implementation raises questions about resource allocation and program management. One concern is whether the initiation of new programs such as Parole in Place impacts the efficiency of processing existing petitions. Ideally, the introduction of new programs should be accompanied by measures to ensure that existing processing times do not suffer. However, the observed increase in processing times for I-130 petitions suggests that there may be a need for better coordination and resource management within USCIS. Recent developments in appointment scheduling. On a more positive note, there have been recent improvements in the availability of interview appointments. Appointments for interviews are now being scheduled for the end of September and early October, which is a welcome development for many applicants. For those preparing for interviews, it is essential to be well-prepared. Applicants should gather all necessary documentation and evidence to support their case. This includes preparing for potential questions and ensuring that all required forms and supporting materials are in order. Tips for interview preparation. Gather comprehensive documentation. Ensure that you have all required documents, including proof of relationship, identification, and any other relevant materials. Prepare for questions. Familiarize yourself with potential interview questions and practice your responses. This will help you feel more confident and prepared. Review important dates and events. Be ready to discuss significant dates and events related to your relationship or case. This may include dates of significant milestones in personal history. Consider a pre-interview if possible. Conduct a pre-interview to simulate the actual interview process. This can help identify areas where additional preparation may be needed. Conclusion: the recent updates to USCIS processing times for I-130 immediate relative categories and the improvements in appointment scheduling highlight the dynamic nature of the immigration process. While increased processing times for I-130 petitions pose challenges, the reduction in K-visa processing times and the arrival of new appointment dates offer some positive news. As the immigration landscape continues to evolve, staying informed and prepared is crucial for navigating the complexities of the system. Applicants should remain proactive, gather necessary documentation, and seek guidance as needed to ensure a smooth and successful process. For further assistance or specific inquiries related to your case, it is recommended to consult with an immigration attorney or expert who can provide personalized guidance based on your unique circumstances. These changes to the I-130 immediate relative categories bring notable adjustments to the immigration landscape. As appointment availability increases, it's crucial to stay updated and prepared. For those navigating this evolving process, understanding these updates can help ensure a smoother path to family reunification. Stay tuned for further updates and detailed information as these changes unfold. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to channel US Immigration. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we will talk about new changes in I-130 immediate categories and many appointments arriving. In recent weeks, there have been notable changes in the processing time for USCIS Form I-130, especially for immediate relative categories. These fluctuations in processing times can significantly impact individuals and families navigating the immigration system. This update covers the recent changes in I-130 processing times, their effects, and new developments in appointment scheduling. Parole in Place is an essential program for undocumented spouses of US citizens and their children under 21. It allows certain undocumented individuals to adjust their status without leaving the country, avoiding the lengthy and complex consular processing. This program is particularly vital for families wishing to stay together while resolving their immigration status. Recent changes in I-130 processing times show an increase from 14 months to 15.5 months for petitions filed by US citizens for immediate relatives. This extended processing time has caused concern among applicants as it delays family reunification and creates additional emotional and logistical challenges. The increased uncertainty also affects applicants' ability to plan for the future, impacting their immigration strategies, employment, and relocation decisions. USCIS processing times for I-130 petition reflect ongoing challenges in managing the volume of applications despite efforts to improve efficiency. In contrast, the K-visa category for fiancés of US citizens has seen reduced processing times, now around 10 months, indicating USCIS focus on expediting these petitions. The introduction of programs like Parole in Place adds complexity to the immigration system, raising concerns about resource allocation and the impact of existing petition processing. However, recent improvements in interview appointment availability, now scheduled for the end of September and early October, are positive developments for many applicants. To navigate these changes, applicants should stay informed, gather necessary documentation, and seek legal guidance to ensure a smooth process. Understanding these updates is crucial for a successful Part 2 family reunification.